The Joy of Christmas is the title of this collection from our friends at Hunkydory. Now this is a designer deco large collection. Now what you may remember is that that's the term that Hunkydory uses when there are die cuts that can be built up on top of each other to make a 3D embellishment. You do get this idea sheet, and I do want to tell you that this collection is exclusive to Paper Wishes. So let me show you what it has. There are 8 sets, and each set has the topper that's going to go down first on your card, your page, whatever you're doing. As always, they are foiled, and as always, you have greetings and borders, corners, all kinds of things. Now, to match it, you also have this sheet, foiled also, but also die cut. And the idea is that you take the largest one, pop it out, put foam tape on the back, and position it over the top of the matching art. Then you go to the next largest image, same thing, foam tape, then go to the next largest, the next one, and then you've got a lot of different ones too. It just works so nicely. And there's also a piece of adorable scorable that's printed that matches the artwork. So you've got something for the inside of your card or making another card. Now, here's a tip. You can use all of these on one card, or what if you were to use this and maybe some of the smaller pieces on top of it, save these maybe for another card. You can really make these go quite far. So here's the first of 8. Here is the next Santa. And it's nice to see this because you can kind of see what it's going to look like. Here are all of the pieces of Santa that can go on top, and all are, of course, foiled and die cut. Here is the printed cardstock that's going to match. Here's the next Santa in the sleigh, and here are all the die cuts and the cardstock. You counting? I think that's 3. This is the 4th. We have a nativity set, and there's all the pieces. In fact, it's very generous. You get so many of them. And here is the adorable scorable. Now we have kids looking in the window, the little puppy right there. And there's all of the extra pieces. And of course, there is the adorable scorable. Now we've got a charming teddy bear looking out the window, or actually looking in the house from the window. And here's all the other pieces and the printed cardstock. Now we have some winter blossoms, and again the foiled pieces and the printed cardstock. And then we have this, just taking all those presents home. The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest of gifts are family and friends. That's nice. And here's all the foiled. And there we go. So all of those are exclusive to us, which is really nice. Then we also have inserts that will coordinate. Now the inserts number 36, and they are ghosted back images of what you've seen. However, there are 12 designs here. Some designs we did not pick to go into the Deco large set, and you'll see what they are. So we have the snowman, you've got the Sleigh, we've got the nativity, we've got the window, and we've got the blossoms. There's Santa, there's the kids. We've got some pie, there we go. And what's nice about this is that they are designed and named to be inserted inside the card, but as you know, the design team puts them on lots of different places, including the front of the card. So that is the inserts. Now there's something different this time, and there is a whole set of vellum. Well, they call it parchment too, Parchment Essentials. There are 24 sheets. You're going to get 8 colors, and let me show you. These are all the A4 size, so it's kind of 8.5 by 11, and you can see that while these are solid, they will do some things, as you can see here, of overlapping each other, and you'll get a different color. There's even black, and another different purple, a light blue, and a red. Very pretty. I think this would be very fun to play with. And one more thing, And this is the little book of Christmas joy. Now we're going to have to get in close to see this. This measures 4 1/8 by 5 7/8 inches. It is padded at the top, so there you can just pull them out. There are 24 designs, and you're going to get 6 of each one. They are printed on one side, so let me just show them to you. I'll start right here, and it's nice to have the imagery in a larger size, and you can do just so many things with these, as many people have found. And so you recall all of those images, so everything matches. It'd be very fun to put these behind that colored parchment. Now, those are the horizontal images. There are vertical images also, and as you can see, and as I said, they are printed on one side, and that works quite well. There's Santa and the snowy scene, the nativity scene in a vertical presentation, the choir there, and our teddy bear. So all of that, this makes the entire Christmas Joy collection, the Joy of Christmas, with the little book of, the inserts, and the solid colored parchment, as well as the Deco Large Topper collection. All of this is just wonderful and here for Christmas.